a shocking revelation has emerged about one of our most beloved spices, cinnamon. The FDA has issued a warning, identifying a concerning number of brands with elevated lead levels. This news is a wake-up call for all of us, as it highlights the potential risks lurking in our everyday pantry items. The cinnamon conundrum, a lead-laden surprise. In a recent development, the Food and Drug Administration has added 4 more ground cinnamon brands to its list of products containing excessive lead. This brings the total to a worrying 16 labels. The newly identified brands include HAETAE, Roshni, Durra, and Wife. The FDA's alert states, prolonged exposure to these products may be unsafe and could contribute to elevated lead levels in the blood. This is a serious concern, especially considering the potential health risks associated with lead exposure. The FDA has requested voluntary recalls from all companies except HAETAE. So far, 10 of the 16 brands have issued recall announcements. If you have any of these ground cinnamon products in your possession, the FDA advises immediate disposal. The 16 brands with elevated lead levels: Roshni 2.268 ppm, HAETAE 4.60 ppm, Durra 2.44 ppm, Wife 2.49 ppm, Jiva Organics 2.29 ppm. Super brand 7.68 and 6.60 ppm, Osley 2.32 ppm, El Chiller 3.75 and 7.01 ppm, Markham 2.22 and 2.14 ppm, Swad 2.89 ppm, Supreme Tradition 2.37 ppm, Campania Indialor Orientale 2.23 ppm, ALB Flavor 3.93 ppm, Shahzada 2.03 ppm, Spice Class 2.04 ppm, La Frontera 2.66 ppm. Cinnamon's troubling past. Lead contamination in cinnamon is not a new issue. Brian Ronholm, Director of Food Policy at Consumer Reports, cinnamon derived from the inner bark of specific tree species can absorb lead from the soil it grows in, which may be contaminated with industrial byproducts. Additionally, lead can enter cinnamon through processing equipment, storage containers, or packaging. To address this issue, the FDA actively monitors and regulates lead levels in food. In 2023, the agency launched an investigation into tainted cinnamon found in applesauce pouches, which led to hundreds of children suffering from lead poisoning. The affected brands, Wanabana, Weiss, and Schnucks, eventually recalled their products. Last year, the FDA issued 3 separate alerts regarding ground cinnamon products with elevated lead levels. The agency's efforts to keep the public informed and safe continue, despite budget and staffing challenges. The impact of lead on health. According to the FDA, there is no safe level of lead exposure. Prolonged exposure to elevated lead levels can lead to a range of adverse health effects, particularly in young children. High levels of lead exposure during pregnancy, infancy, and early childhood can result in neurological issues, including learning disabilities, behavioral difficulties, and lowered IQ. Lead can also cause long-term health problems in adults, such as increased risk of high blood pressure, cardiovascular issues, and kidney damage, as stated by the World Health Organization. This news serves as a reminder of the importance of staying informed about the potential risks associated with our food choices. While the FDA works to protect the public, it's crucial for consumers to stay vigilant and make informed decisions. What are your thoughts on this cinnamon conundrum? Do you think enough is being done to address lead contamination in spices? Share your opinions in the comments below.